So now we have a situation of MAR data, or missing at random. And remember, this situation is where we have missingness correlated with SES, and we have missingness also correlated with the DV. So this means that, again, missingness was predicted by SES scores, so we can tell who is going to be missing based on their SES scores. So we take the lowest SES scores and remove those people because those individuals didn't take the test. And so as you can see, we're taking out the red numbers. You can see in the complete data over at the far left. And you can see which ones were deleted out. You can see that they are the lowest SES scores were taken out. And then we would calculate at that point the mean, and we can see that it's biased upward 57.8 rather than 50.74. And again, this makes sense because we have just eliminated the lowest ability math folks from the sample. So again, remember, the poor children tend to have lower math scores, so by not counting them, you're getting a higher score. That's basically all that we're doing. And if we use a technique like listwise deletion is a technique in which if you have just one variable missing from a participant, one item, one scale, you delete the whole person from the data set. And when you do that and you are in the condition of a MAR, or have a MAR situation going on in your data, missing at random, what you will do is you will have a parameters that will be biased in a certain direction. As you can see here, 57.8 is higher than 50.74. So, but in this case, if you use a particular technique that is newer and better for handling missing data, like multiple imputation, which you can do in SPSS, and I'll show you how in a few minutes, that is better because what we have is we have SES as our auxiliary variable. We put it into the estimation process and it will give us some estimates that will be more accurate, give us a more accurate mean than what we have here. So we can correct for at least somewhat the bias in this data that's due to the missingness being correlated with the children's math ability.